Germany accelerates decommissioning of Tiger attack helicopters. The German Federal Ministry of Defense has unveiled its plans for the phased retirement of the Airbus Tiger combat helicopters currently in service with the Bundeswehr. The final units are set to conclude their service by 2032, marking a significant reduction from the current fleet of 55 helicopters. This downsizing will be executed gradually over the next few years, with the aim of reaching 33 operational units by 2028. Some helicopters were slated to remain operational until 2038, but economic considerations have prompted an acceleration of the retirement schedule. Germany's decision positions it as the second country to retire Tiger combat helicopters, following Australia's choice of the Boeing AH-64E Apache as its successor. Meanwhile, Spain and France have opted to continue operating Tigers, tying their use to an upgrade to the Mk2 Plus standard. The Eurocopter Tiger, a four-blade, twin-engine attack helicopter, entered service in 2003 and is manufactured by Airbus Helicopters, formerly known as Eurocopter. Known as the Tigre in France and Spain, French and Spanish for Tiger, and simply the Tiger in Germany, it was initially developed during the Cold War as an anti-tank platform. However, the collapse of the Soviet Union led to a shift in focus, and France and Germany decided to develop it as a multi-role attack helicopter, achieving operational readiness in 2008. The Tiger holds the distinction of being the first all-composite helicopter developed in Europe, incorporating advanced features like a glass cockpit, stealth technology, and high agility to enhance survivability. Over the years, improved variants with more powerful engines and compatibility with a broader range of weapons have been introduced. The Tiger has seen combat in Afghanistan, Libya, The Tiger is capable of undertaking a wide range of combat missions, including armed reconnaissance and surveillance, anti-tank and close air support, escort and protection of friendly assets, and can operate during day or night in all weather conditions, and has been designed to include operations in the aftermath of nuclear, biological, or chemical warfare. The Tiger can also be used in the maritime environment, able to operate from the decks of ships including frigates, and during extreme weather conditions.